Just for American Pilgrim.
Yup.
Everyone back home.
Homeboy sick.
I'm so sick. I'm dying.
I got a zombie right here. Real life. Walking Dead Italy, new spin-off show.
Wow.
Yep. We're here in Arezzo. Just took a tour of a cool museum. Unfortunately, it was pretty good. I liked it. Stop it.
Hey, quit.
Stop it, Mason. So we're here. Just did a tour of the museum. I am stupid and forgot to take pictures, so.
La pigeon go. La pigeon.
So I try to give you guys a little more of an update since I have not been posting because of I'm done with the pilgrimage. But if I find the time to take videos, I'll do that.
What was it in Italian? Is it pigeon? Pigeon.
All right. See you guys later.